Okay, you guys, let's get out of here. Here you are, Dr. Claw.
Most impressive, Mr. Finch. Your next target will be the famous star of Istanbul.
The most valuable sapphire in the world.
These bushes are starting to look pretty scruffy. Time for a little trim. Go, gadget laser. Just a bit off the top.
Uncle Gadget, look! Some birds have built a nest in our tree.
You're right, Penny. If I'm not mistaken, those are blue jays. I'll go see if there are any eggs yet.
Uncle Gadget, maybe you should...
Go, gadget legs. Hello, ma'am. Mind if I take a little peek?
Uncle Gadget, look out!
Wowzers! Hey! Cut that out! Stop it! Boy, I wonder what got him so steamed up. Uh-oh. It's the top secret gadget phone. Is that you, Chief? You're where? Sorry, Chief.
Here's your assignment, Gadget.
Mad planning to steal famous star sapphire. Must be stopped. Report to Istanbul at once. This message will self-destruct.
A transport jet is waiting for you at the airport. Good luck.
As always, you can count on me, Chief.
We'd better go with him, Brain. Turkey is a mysterious country, and I think he'll need some help.
These rockets are a lovely touch. Not a bad little museum. Inspector Gadget reporting for duty.
Portugal Denise, Inspector. I am Mr. Carraguez, the curator of the museum. Please, come inside.
You follow Uncle Gadget, Brain. I'll keep an eye on things out here.
Here it is, Inspector. The priceless star of Istanbul.
Wowzers! It's beautiful. But I don't think much of your security system, Mr. Carragoes. Why, these ropes wouldn't keep out a child. Observe.
Inspector, no!
Wowzers!
I'm very sorry. This has been a false alarm.
Simply incredible! Where did you ever find these ropes? Huh?
Coco. So what? It's time. You all know what to do. No sweat, boss. All right, then. On your way.
It won't be long now, Mad Cat. The star will be mine, and Gadget will be the laughing stock of Europe.
Brain? Come in, Brain. Hi, Brain. How's Uncle Gadget doing? Everything out here looks normal, too. I'll contact you later.
Excuse me. Do you know if there's a soft drink machine around here? Oh, thanks. All right, you mad. He's gone. Wowzers, the star. I wonder where he went. He doesn't appear to be in this room. Freeze! I knew he wasn't in there. Aha! Footprints! Wowzers! This guy's clever.
Okay, Breaker. Do your stuff. The bars, Breaker. The bars!
Aha! Uh-oh.
Right!
Gotcha! Go, Gadget cuffs!
Wow, what a big bird. Wingspan, flight path, an Andean condor. Boy, is he a long way from home.
Okay, Breaker. Let her drop.
What was that?
Now, Fast Eddie.
Oh, it's a little birdie. He must have fallen in through that broken window. Go, Gadget net! Poor little thing. I'll help you back outside.
Trouble. Killer.
Wowzers!
What was that? Darn, it's locked. Maybe there's another way in.
All right. Killer, it's the cops.
Oh, this one's locked too. Huh? It's that condor again. What's he doing flying with those other birds? Oh no! They've got the star! I've got to follow them!
Where is that clock? Ah, wowzers. I must have dozed off.
All right, hold it right there.
Now, stay calm. I have the culprit right. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Oh no! The star is gone!
Hi, Mr. Caragos.
Oh my! This is the worst thing that's happened in the entire history of the museum.
Oh, don't take it so hard, Mr. Caragos. I'm fine now.
I was referring to the theft of the star.
Oh, that.
Oh, darn! I'll never keep up with those birds. Wait a minute. Maybe I can pick them up on radar. Oh, it's them! They're heading for the Golden Horn Harbor. Brain! Come in, Brain! I'm on the trail of the jewel thieves. Get Uncle Gadget to the harbor. I'll contact you again when I know the exact location.
Wowzers! You! Hey! Come back here! I've got you completely surrounded! Go, Gadget roller skates!
This has to be it. Icarus Finch Esquire. Oh no! I've got to get up there.
I always get the athletes. Go, Gadget Copter! Hold it right there, you arch criminal! Yeah! Yo!
Brain, come in, Brain. I'm at the old tower by the harbor, Brain. Get Uncle Gadget here as fast as you can.
You have something for me, I believe.
Give it to the nice man, Blackie.
A delightful little bauble. N'est-ce pas, eh, Mad Cat? With your birds and my brains, I'll soon be the richest man on Earth.
You? But what about me?
Well, you'll be my full partner, of course. Here, to show my good faith, I'll let you smuggle this out of the country.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Claw. I was worried there for a moment.
That's odd. The path just suddenly stops. I wonder. Aha! There's a passageway behind this rock. Now, if I can find the right frequency. Ah! Wow!
Well, you'll enjoy your new home.
This isn't funny. You let me out of here.
Toodaloo.
Maybe. Oh no! What am I gonna do? Brain! Come in, Brain! I'm trapped in the tower. Hurry!
So, the bird seed has arrived, has it? You must be hungry, my pets.
Now, where could that jewel thief have gone? Ah! I'll ask at that lighthouse.
No, it can't be. Gadget's here. Get rid of him.
Okay, Dr. Claw. I'll just finish feeding my...
Now!
All right, you don't have to yell. Breaker, get him.
Oh, Brain, thank heavens!
Egads, a pterodactyl! Wowzers!
You missed him. Go back and do it properly.
Ah, there's someone up there. Go, go, gadget copter! That could only be one thing. The famous Turkish whirling dervish. Look at him go!
Get him, killer.
Go, go, gadget legs! Whoops! It must be just about time for my annual tune-up. Wowzers! A phoenix!
Arg! Go get him fast, Eddie. Oh, I've got to get out of here.
I'll try that again. Go, go, gadget legs! It seems to be stuck. Ah! Hey, a woodpecker!
Phew. Thanks, Brain. We'd better call Chief Quimby.
Hello?
Perfect. I look just like a bird. Time for my spectacular getaway.
Hi, mind if I ask you a few questions?
No.
Oh, good. Say, that's a beautiful suit.
Hey, look over there.
Hey, they used to have one of these at the museum. Wait, where are you going?
They'll never get me.
No! Don't do it! Go, go, gadget arms!
My jetpack. Take me to prison. Get me away from that maniac.
Eddie, Brain! Chief Quimby!
Good work, Gadget.
Did you happen to see a little fellow dressed like a bird? He dropped this.
The Star of Istanbul. Well done, Gadget.
It was nothing, Chief, really. Sounds like it might rain.
I'm going to get you for this, Gadget. Watch out.
It was nice of Chief Quimby to bring you two along.
Who's your friend, Uncle Gadget?
Oh, him. Yes, well, I believe he's a type of Austrian barn owl, Penny.
Wowzers!
Who said that?
Get it? Good boy, Brain.
Ta-da! It's a birdhouse for our Blue Jay family. Go, go, Gadget legs! Oh, birdies!
You know, Uncle Gadget, nature should always be viewed from a distance. It's safer for the animals and for the observer.
That's right, Penny. Let this be a lesson to you. Say, what if I was to build a nice doghouse for you, Brain? Maybe polka dots.
Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Go, Gadget, go. Go, Gadget, go. Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget.
I'll get you next time, Gadget. Next time.
Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids.